Hi everyone, Pete here. Today I'm going to show you how to configure the Sounders mode on the LogiFire 118 panel. Let's get started. First, enter the panel menu by navigating to System, then Programming, followed by Panel, and finally Sounders mode. Next, select the More option at the bottom of the screen. Here you can choose the settings for alarm and evacuation modes. By selecting the tabs labelled Sound/Strobe, you can select the devices to either strobe, lamp, sound, or both sound strobe. Once you've selected your desired option, make sure to select the Save tab to apply the changes. This will set the chosen configuration as a global panel setting for all Sounders. And that's how you configure the Sounders mode on the LogiFire 118 panel. Thanks for watching. Happy programming.